Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Sleep app on your Apple Watch and on your iPhone Health app to sync settings. Make sure Watch OS is updated and wrist detection plus sleep mode are on so tracking is automatic. Set your first bedtime window and awake alarm, choose a gentle sound, and enable sleep focus to limit interruptions. Once done, the watch will use motion and heart rate patterns to detect sleep. This initial setup creates the schedule the watch follows every night. Next, refine how your watch records sleep by adjusting the sleep goal and wind down period so the watch anticipates bedtime. Make sure health permissions allow heart rate and motion access. This improves stage estimation. Customize sleep focus rules, bedtime reminders, and haptic strength for alarms so you wake without a jolt. If you use naps, enable nap handling to avoid double counting. Once configured, the watch gathers consistent data night after night for better trends and clearer sleep insights. To complete the process, wear the watch snugly and charge it above 30% before bed so tracking runs uninterrupted. Each morning, open the Health app to review duration and stages and to spot patterns. If sleep isn't recorded, first confirm sleep focus is active and health permissions remain enabled, then restart the watch. If problems persist, unpair and repair as a last resort. This sequence resolves most issues, so make sure to check settings, then test one night to verify tracking works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.